I hope I don't run out of gas. Gas station. Where's there's no gas station anywhere. There's no way I'm gonna make it to a gas station. Oh. Dang it. No! Test driving everything and anything with two wheels to help you find your next bike. I'm Sean Kerr, and this is SRK Cycles. What's up, guys? Sean here from SRKCycles.com. We have a 2014 Yamaha Stryker. And these are great bikes. They are tons of fun. This one's got a couple modifications. It's got the lights in both wheels, so they light up. I don't even know what they look like when they light up. It's got Cobra 2-in-1 pipes. It's got the upper fairing. Let's take this for a spin. I'm going to tell you guys why this bike is an amazing bike and has a big range for a lot of people to want to ride it. Let's do the words of wisdom, guys. Isaiah 55:6-7. Seek the Lord while he may be found. Call upon him while he is near. Let the wicked forsake his ways, and the unrighteous man his thoughts. And let him return to the Lord, and he will have compassion on him, and to our God, for he will abundantly pardon. Amen. And let's do a test drive. I hope I don't run out of gas. Alright, so this is the Yamaha Stryker. This is kind of like you could say it's like the baby brother of the Raider, but if I don't know, that might not be very appropriate. This might just be the lighter, more nimble, twitchier version. I don't know. So this is rocking the 210 back tire. This bike is very chopper-esque. You got the big fat back tire. You got kind of the kind of the raked out, very similar like the Raider type of stance, and the 21-inch front tire. These things are fun to ride, extremely reliable. They are crazy reliable, and only weighing in at just under 650 pounds. They're also a full-blown hot rod bike. And when I say full-blown, I mean somehow it's able to be a hot rod and also be an amazing daily commuter, which is hard to do. It really is. It's not the easiest thing to accomplish. To have a bike that pulls like this, it's just a blast to drive, and it makes you want to race everybody from street light to street light. But then also be like, I'm gonna drive this thing all day long. I'm gonna take this thing to work every day. I'm gonna take a big trip with it. Now, normally it does not come with this fairing. That fairing's definitely helping. It's cold, it's winter time. That fairing clips on and off. So if you don't like it on the winter and the summertime, pop it off. I gotta admit, I'm loving it right now. So when they make a bike, when Yamaha makes a motorcycle and they put a big back tire on it, they have to still make it perform. It has to still handle well, and it does. I'm over here. I'm dragging my boot. That back tire feels great. Watch this. The brakes feel nice and tight. Let's take it up our little we'll get up the speed. We'll get to the speed limit up here. It really is a joy to drive, and for the money, for a 1300 horsepower, no, 1300, for a 1300 cc, good looking cruiser bike that is fast. A lot of guys contact me and they're like, hey, listen, I'm coming off a 600 sport bike, I want to get a cruiser bike. Am I gonna be bummed out when I buy a 650 V-Star? And my answer to them is yes, absolutely. You absolutely will. You're going from one of the fastest bikes out there, one of the fastest classes out there, and you're going to honestly, one of the slowest bikes out there. I'm not bashing the 650 V-Star. It's a great bike. It serves most people's purpose. But if that's your question, here is my answer. Oh, shoot. This ain't good. Gas station. There's no gas station anywhere. There's no way I'm gonna make it to a gas station. Oh. Alright guys, let's wrap up this video. We'll see you guys later. Dang it. No! Hey Siri, call Caleb.
What's up?
Yeah, I ran out of gas.
Oh, okay, where at?
I'm on the corner of Signal Hill Lane and Nolt Road.
Okay. I don't know where that is.
Yeah, just throw in your GPS.
Oh, you're on a bike?
Yes.
Oh, so okay, what do you want me to bring?
Do we have a gas can somewhere, right? Caleb, you saved me!
That's gotta be enough, right?
Yeah. There we go!
Go, go, go!
Let's do it, let's do it! Thanks, Caleb! Alright, the test drive is back on. We have a full tank of gas. And we never have to worry about running out of gas again. I should probably take it easy so I make it back to the shop. But that was plenty of gas. I think this thing's should be getting like at least 37 miles to the gallon. And that was 1/6 of a gallon. So we got at least like 5 miles to get back. That can't be right. Maybe that is right, I don't know. So, to wrap things up, this bike is awesome. They are very inexpensive, easy to work on. The battery's easy to get to. With this fairing, the key is hard to get. It's mainly with this pouch. The key is hard to get to, but that's okay. It's like a secret key. If it were me, I would just leave it in there because no one can see it, and that would just be where I left my bike key. Guys, do not forget. I have not forgotten about I'm still working on the M1 Moto gloves. These are the gloves that I'm wearing right now, Kevlar lined, and they are in production as we speak. I think he said somewhere around 2 weeks, and then I don't know how much shipping it's gonna take to get it to me, but I'm gonna do it as fast as I can. So don't forget about that. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later.